Philip has mentioned about the risk and creativity and care. So care we have touched upon. When we talk about risk, do you think male and female take different kind of risk and they have different appetite for risk?
Yes.
How different it is? Yeah.
You know, because once again, because we look at our perspectives are different. So you take risks based on your mental perspective. So if we're looking at things in a different manner, our reactions are going to be different.
That's right, that's right. So male, when they were going out and doing hunting and they have to make a quick decision. So ladies, give me a shout if you go to your husband, if you're married and go to your husband or father or brother, you want to discuss a problem and they say, what do you want to do? Just leave the job and sit at home, or what do you want to do? Just throw paper on your boss's face and come. They want the solution, but female want to discuss. Please give me a shout out if you face this problem, because I face it a lot. I want him to listen to me and he wants to come to conclusion. But it's very natural. He's out in the field hunting. He doesn't have time to sit and discuss. Tiger will eat him. Of course, he has to make quick decisions. We ladies, we were sitting in a tribe discussing, making food and taking care of children. We had enough time to discuss and bond with each other. And that is the reason male have facial hair. Female don't have. Why? Because when they are out in the field, they want to hide their expression. And that's the reason evolution has given facial hair to male but removed from female, because we want to see each other face and understand how you are feeling by reading your expression. Do you know that by teenage, when the boys are 13 to 17, when they are very young, they are very expressive. Suddenly they become less expressive because the brain tells them the facial muscles becomes little harder. So even if they are feeling pain for their mom is sick, they are not able to express it. So don't think your son is not taking care of you. His brain is telling him not to express on his face. It's not his fault. And we can go on and on for this evolutionary thing, how male and female are very different from each other. But in favor of time, let me quickly talk about it. When it comes to risk, male thinks about likelihood. What is the result? What is the outcome I'm going to get? So they think about finances, physical growth, and physical things and growth. So market expansion, venturing into new market, launching a new product, having new supplier or vendor. That's what they think about. In the same place, female thinks about people, safety, sustainability. She thinks about, if I launch this product, how my customers are going to feel about it. Is it the right time to launch? Is the operations team really ready for it? So she thinks about the impact. Male brain thinks about the likelihood of it. At the time of crisis, the risk-taking capacity of male increases, because they think that if they risk more, they'll get out of it more things. But female risk capacity reduces because she wants to preserve what is available. She doesn't want to risk the remaining grains. She has to feed younger children, she has to feed old people, so she doesn't want to risk what is remaining. So that's a different way of looking at the risk. Why it is important for you to know? If you're making an enterprise risk committee, please make sure it has the right balance of male and female.